We potentially have a very big catalyst here, and we're going to get into some of the criticisms, but this could be a big catalyst. Along with their event page, actually we have several almost double-digit consortiums, presentations, and studies set to be released before the end of the year, and a lot of them are actually in June. So we're going to be going over all this. Also, there's an important vote that you need to know about Bionano, and an event that is not of Bionano explicitly that you need to be aware of. So the most pressing matter, Saya, is going to be Bionano Genomics to present at the 2021 Oppenheimer MedTech Tools and Diagnostics Summit. There's nothing else to say. It's May 26th. It's going to be at 6:50 Central Time. Well, okay, that's our other mysterious eluding event. That's where that's going to start. But 8 a.m. Eastern Time, 7 a.m. Central Time, May 26th, the next week. We are going to talk about the event that is actually not of Bionano, but kind of. But before we do that, I want to look at the event page of Bionano's actual website. Looking at Bionano's website in the events section, you can actually see there are several of these, which is kind of misleading, right? Because it says the abstract submission deadline is February 17th, but then it says another date right here. So it's like, well, and that's not a link. And then if you click on this, it's just their website. But then if you scroll down, basically the conference dates are all they're all future. So these are all going to be presentations, consortiums, study releases. These things are going to be good. And these things are going to act similarly to this one, most likely, this sort of presentation that we have next week. I would not be surprised if these are somewhat similar. They could drop anything crazy at any one of these. They could say, we detected a 450 base pair structure variation with Sapphire, unlike contrarian to, as opposed to the 500 greater than 500 base pair limit that the Sapphire structure variation detection is commercially capped off at, if that makes any sense. I recommend reading the due diligence that I'll put in the card on the top right now if you don't understand what any of that meant. But the other mysterious event that we have here is, if we zoom in, we have got BNGO management presenting at Oppenheimer Management. That is going to be the May 26th, 6:50 Central Time, right? And that is the AM. So that's, that's an hour. That's more than an hour before the market opens. So I know it's early, but it could be a good one. And the irony that we've never live streamed, we never live stream a Bionano event besides earnings. How awesome would it be if this was the one that they actually dropped some crazy news at? And this is the Bionano Genomics management team. Remember, this is the company management. This isn't some other laboratory doing something. The management is presenting at this virtually at the Oppenheimer MedTech Tools and Diagnostics Summit. So yeah, it's probably going to be stuff we already know, but who knows what they could drop. Okay, there's 1,000 things like such as the nano nozzle that are in production. There are confirmed applications that have not even been developed yet, according to the CEO. I recommend reading the due diligence if you don't know what I'm talking about, but please set your reminder for that live stream if you would like to be aware of when that's happening and like to be present at the news. And if it is crazy news, you can be able to act on it like that with 1,000 other people for more information, right? As it goes down in real time, right? So go set your reminder. It's going to be linked in the description in the pinned comment. But this is Bionano's Twitter, and you guys need, all the Bionano shareholders, you need to vote. I will link this as well. This is how you vote. I also have this in the community tab. I also retweeted this on my Twitter. We all need to vote in the proposal for new directors and approve. I don't even remember. I voted a long time. I voted like more than a few weeks ago. I voted pretty early on. So there's only 2 questions, and if I remember right, they're very simple. Just vote with the company, whatever they are recommending. That's what I did. Just vote with the company. Okay, they know what they're doing. They've got a great long-term vision. So that's my. Okay, you vote however the hell you want, my friends. But that, I will link that in the description. While I was editing this, I realized that I did not talk about criticisms at all, so I just wanted to say and bring them up somewhat at least. So some of the criticisms with this potential catalyst, right? That's kind of what I'm calling it. One of them is going to be, there's been 1,000 of these before, right? There have been a ton of them, and they have not resulted in much, right? There's been a myriad, right? There's been a countless number, and it's kind of the same old story, Sapphire good, sequencing bad, karyotyping bad, which is obviously true, but we want something new. We want some nano nozzle. We want some sales, some region rental program clients switching over to actual sales. We want more high volume labs. There's 1,000 things we want, right? We want the stock price to go to the moon, right? That's essentially all we care. We were just here to make money at the end of the day, but that's kind of one of the criticisms I would say to this potential catalyst. So I wanted to throw that in just so I'm not, not doing what I said I was going to do, also so I can give you both sides, right? I'm not just trying to pump, not just trying to give you the bull case. I want to give you both sides of the argument for you as well. Oh, what is this? AMC, what is this? A little bit of a preview as to what's to come. What is that? What's going on with that? Okay, well, portfolio showcase and current positions. Let's show off that sweet portfolio, my friends. Let's get that trading password done. All right, there we go. Boom, those are all the current positions. Beautiful portfolio. Pause that video right there if you want to know all of them. Anyways, this is not financial advice. Thank y'all so much. I will see y'all in the next one.